What is going on?
Oh my God.
Spencer, you gotta get back here.
Grandpa, you okay?
Look over my left shoulder.
No way.
Is that?
Yes, it is. Honey, do you know him?
Spencer and I were both inside of him when we were in Africa.
Dr. Bravestone, I'm so glad I found you.
Of course you are, because of my reputation and my charisma.
You were what? We have a problem. They're video game characters, but they're stuck in demo mode.
Gravestone is Spanish, I think.
Tyson.
There was a hippopotamus in the alley.
My nephew. He's a lunatic.
I'm beginning to suspect we're not in Jumanji. Damn rats.
Kinodes, hi.
Let's go.
Why do they run like that?
Honey, these new friends of yours make me very uncomfortable. No one is going to stop us.
Dr. Bravestone's the best driver in all of Jumanji.
If you don't slow down, they will make us stop the car.
Oberon, get in the back.
Fine, but you listen to me. I should be the one to.
Oh,
Come on, no time to waste.
Did I break the world?
No.
Maybe.
The only way to stop this is to get you guys back in the game.
Push!
What's that?
Mom!
Goodness. Spencer, honey!
Mom, I'm right here.
Excuse me?
Yeah. Huh, sorry.
What is this miserable? Am I dreaming?
Donatus?
Yes, I am Donatus.
It's me, Janice.
Giannis? You look terrible. So different. With muscles and penis and no hair.
Ow! I'm okay. Where's Aunt Nora?
Tyson?
Who's Tyson?
I'm Tyson. Except I'm a black grown-up.
Mom, get ready.
Violence is never the answer.
Wow!
You get one! And you get one! You should be ashamed of yourself!
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Come here. That's it. That's my boy.